What up guys, this is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and this is a super quick video of how to remove the rear view camera on a 2022 Lexus NX. So what you gotta do is you have to remove this panel here on the back. It's only 4 clips, and then you have to remove 2 screws that goes right here. So the camera, it's here, so you remove the 2 screws, and after you remove the screws, then you gotta pop the clips from this side or this side here. Just be careful on not breaking the plastic piece. What I used, I put this one behind the clips and just pop it out this way. Came off really easy. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time.